Imagine uploading just one video, going to sleep, and then waking up to money in your account. Sounds like magic, right? But here's the real question. How does YouTube actually pay? $1, $10, $100, $1 million? I'll be breaking down in the simplest way possible. And trust me, the truth might even shock you. Okay? So first, let's see. What does YouTube really pay for? Okay? YouTube does not just pay for your video. It pays mainly through ads. So when you watch a video and you see those annoying ads before the video or during the video, that's where the money really comes from. So YouTube calls it cost CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Okay? So if your CPM is $2, it means you earn $2 for every 1,000 views. But you don't keep all of that. Okay? YouTube takes a cut. So the next thing is, what is the cut YouTube takes? YouTube takes about 45% of your ad revenue and gives you 55%. So if a video makes $100, for instance, you only get about $55. Okay? Then you will see examples with some of my videos, how that video performed and how much I earned. Okay? But then there are let's break down this with numbers. For instance, let's say you have 1,000 views. With the YouTuber calculations, you're supposed to have like $1 to $5 depending. So some videos can be $1, $1.2 per 1,000 views depending on how many adverts were placed in that video. Some can be up to $5 depending on the length of the videos, what the video is all about, the type of content and all that. We get to that. But so if let's say 1,000 views you have between $1 to $5, then 10,000 views will be having between $10 to $50, and 100,000 views would mean $100 to about $500. So 1 million views would mean $1,000 to about $5,000, which is huge. Okay? But not all views pay the same. Understand that. Now this video is for people that have already monetized, or it's just looking for information after monetization. Because if you're not monetized yet, then your videos are not earning money. YouTube are not placing ads on your video for you to make money. If you are not monetized yet, is when you've met the requirements for monetization. That's when you start monetizing. And after you've started monetizing, then this is the breakdown for you that I've just done. So not all views pay the same. Now I'm going to show you examples of what I mean. That you can have a video perform better than the other video, but even if they are the same length, the same 1,000 views, they will not perform the same. They will not have the same amount. It depends on some criteria or some things which I will show you. Let me finish this. Now location also matters. If your audience is from countries like the US, UK or Canada, you will earn more. But if your viewers are mostly from Nigeria, India, you earn less per view. Okay? Take for instance, 1 million views video in the US might make $5,000. So that's why I was saying from $1 to $5 for 1,000 views, depending on so many other things. But location is one of it. If your audience is the US, UK, Canada, then you are earning close to $4 to $5 per 1,000 views. Okay? But if your audience is Nigeria, India, then for each 1,000 view, the lower range of 1 to 5. Okay? Now, your niche matters also. So not all contents pay equally. I've already said that. There are contents that pay you high, like contents about finance, tech, and business. They pay high. But if you are doing comedy, pranks, generally entertainment, they are low-paying niches. Okay, so understand that niches or your niche also contributes to how much you are being paid by YouTube. Now, people can also make money and not directly from YouTube, through YouTube. So there are other ways YouTubers can make money, like sponsorships. Someone can sponsor you, and through your video you make money. You can place adverts in the video. You can talk about that person's business, affiliate marketing, and the person pays you for that. That's not YouTube paying you. You can sell your products on YouTube and make money. That's not YouTube paying you. Okay, and you can add memberships to your YouTube channel. When people have to pay to join a particular membership group, that's not YouTube paying you. That's those people paying you plus what YouTube would pay you. So if you are smart enough, you can get paid by people and also get paid by YouTube, and then you earn more from YouTube. Okay? Now, you also understand that you have to first be monetized. So to be monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you need me to explain or to give you a class on how to monetize your channel, to create and monetize it fast, you can drop on the comment section that you are interested, and I will take you to my class where I do that. And then so I want to show you now examples as to how this in real life, how this works. So you'll see some of my videos and then you understand how it works. So take for instance, this video has 62,000 views, and look at the performance of this video. In this 62,000 views, I made $81.72 in this video. Okay, in this yes, particular video, 62,000 views made $61.7, and the revenue per 1,000 views for this video was $1.3. So for every 1,000 views, I had $1.3. So if you do the calculation, 1.3 times 62 would give you that 81.7. So for this video, it performed this good, $1.3 per 1,000 views. Okay, now this is another video with just 72 views, and you see the revenue per 1,000 view here is 1.40. See, the other video was 1.3 per 1,000. Now this one is 1.4. So if this video performs well, and I have like the 62,000 views that the other one has, you will discover that this particular video will earn more than that. That's what I'm saying, that all videos don't earn the same. Okay, they don't perform the same. Now maybe in a particular video, YouTube found enough space to place up to 3 or 4 adverts in that video. That video is going to perform better than a video where YouTube was only able to place 1 advert. Okay, so I can also teach you how you can make your video good enough that YouTube will have places to place adverts without issues. Okay, but of course you know already that if your video is longer than some particular, maybe 10 minutes, then you're going to have more ads placed and all that. And depends on your settings. So there are settings where you can make, and then you tell YouTube to place ads in between and at the beginning and all that. If you set it not to do that, then your cost, your money, you will be reduced, because not much ads are placed in your videos. Okay, lastly, look at this particular video which has 890 views. It has 890 views, but the revenue per 1,000 view is 0.3. See, the performance here is very low. So if this video ends up having that 62,000 views, it's not going to have as much like as $80 like the other one had. Okay, so I'm sure now you understand that some videos perform better than the others. Some perform good, some perform maybe poorly, and I've told you what can contribute to that. All right, so that is how much YouTube pays you. Depends on criteria which are based on the YouTube algorithm, your audience, the people that you are targeting as audience. Remember, if it's in the UK, US, Canada, they pay you more. Okay, so your content should be universal, if so. And then if you're targeting it to countries which will make you locations which will make YouTube pay you less, then you have to target more audience so that you make more money from there. And then your subscribers, okay, and then the quality of your content. Okay, if you're making comedy and all that, understand that these are low niche content, and then people that make content on finance and all that I've already mentioned are paid more. Okay, so that is what YouTube